G'day there. Growing with Dave. One of the questions I get asked about is my system for growing tomatoes, and this is a way that I like to grow my tomatoes. I use a cord system to support my tomatoes, and I'm quite fortunate in this situation to have an old polytunnel overhead irrigation system where I can attach cord to. But in the past, when I haven't had this, I've been using timber frames, bamboo, conduits, whatever I may have at hand to make a upright structure to attach a cord to. And here we have a tomato plant that has grown, and it's actually had a double stem. So this is not a lateral. This plant has split. So in this case here, we've got a split, not a lateral. An example of a lateral, and if you watched my other videos, this is a lateral that's come out the side of a main stem here. It's a lateral. I like to lop off on my 100% laterals off on all my tomato plants. On this particular plant, I've actually let this lateral grow. It's been quite a vigorous bit of growth. So I'm planning on taking this, cutting this off, and putting it in some water to propagate another plant from this plant, a free plant. But that's for another video. So what I like to do with these stems is take cord. You can buy this cord from Bunnings here in Australia, and simply attach this with a knot. I'll do this. Simple granny knot just around a point on the plant, and then we wind this around the stem as we go up. And what we want to do is train the plant. We want this cord to take the weight of the plant and the weight of the fruit as it grows, but also to train the plant where we want it to grow. And you may say, well, why do we want to train the plant to where we want it to grow? Well, in this case, I've got a number of tomato plants here. And what I'm trying to do is get the plants to get the optimum amount of sunlight so that we can keep pests and diseases down, but also promote healthy growth on the plant and maximize the amount of sunlight the plant gets to produce fruit for us. So in this case, sorry for the shaky video, in this case we've got one stem going off to the left here, and now I'm going to take this stem and I'm going to deliberately lead it off to the right here, and we'll attach it to a piece of conduit I just happen to have here. So I'm happy with that position of where this stem is going. It's separated from the main one here. So two stems going off two directions, and we will tie this off. What this system allows me to do is, as the plant grows, this branch here will go all the way up here. It'll actually go past this top point here, and that's a good 8 foot up in the air here from where I'm standing. We'll have all of our fruit we'll be hanging off the sides, promote good exposure to these guys for sunlight. You get lots of sugars in the plant. And this is how I like to truss up my plants. It's a simple way, it's very quick, it's very easy. You don't have any dramas with wind, knocking the plants around. This is a very, very good system. It's the best system that I've found for my situation. And it's just simple. Thanks for watching.